planet is facing unprecedented challenges, and today we're diving into a crucial question. Are human actions invasive, disrupting the natural world delicate balance?
Absolutely. We'll explore the negative effects of human activity, examining key areas where our impact is most profound.
Habitat destruction is a primary concern. Deforestation for agriculture and logging, along with urban sprawl, are pushing countless species toward extinction.
These actions fragment habitats, isolating populations, and reducing genetic diversity, making them more vulnerable.
Pollution takes in many forms, such as the air pollution from the industry and the vehicles, plastics choking our oceans, and contaminated water sources impacting both wildlife and human health.
These pollutants accumulate in the food chain, ultimately harming us as well.
Climate change, driven by greenhouse gas emissions, is arguably the most significant threat. Rising temperatures are causing dramatic shifts in weather patterns.
We're seeing more frequent and intense extreme weather events like hurricanes, droughts, and floods, impacting communities and ecosystems globally.
Overexploitation of natural resources is another critical issue. Overfishing depletes fish stocks, unsustainable mining practices damage landscapes, and the depletion of freshwater resources threatens both ecosystems and human populations.
This unsustainable consumption pattern puts immense pressure on the planet's capacity to regenerate.
However, there's hope. Transitioning to renewable energy sources, adopting sustainable agriculture practices, and reducing our consumption are crucial steps.
Recycling and reducing waste are vital. Supporting conservation efforts and advocating for stronger environmental policies are equally important.
Individual actions combined with collective efforts can make a real difference.
We are all interconnected. Understanding our impact and working together towards a sustainable future is essential for the health of our planet and future generations.
Let's strive to be a part of the solution, not the problem.
Creatures of my dreams rise up and dance.